Hello everybody, this is the next part of the video then, just taking you through what we want you to do this morning, or this afternoon, whenever you're watching this video, as you use Accelerated Reader. So I already mentioned here that the different buttons like you can see on the screen here have got different functions. This one will be a STAR test, a reading test that you will end up doing probably in your English lessons in the next few weeks. This button here then, which I will mention when I do an assembly at some point in the next few weeks for you as well, this is where you can do different quizzes on books that you have read. You're not doing that this morning though, we're going to come back to that one in the future. This is the one I want you to click on, it's Accelerated Reader Articles. So if I just click on that one now, the thing that might pop up here is it will give you an option of choosing your English teacher or choosing your tutor. It doesn't matter which one you choose, so click on either of those and click on Done. And then up will pop then this next window in a moment, which has got some different quizzes for you to have a go at. So on the screen here then are a whole load of different categories of articles. So if I just scroll down a bit here, there are literally hundreds here of articles, all about different things, different interests that you can have a go at. And the idea is basically to click on one of these, you read the story, and then you have a go at a very short quiz afterwards, and then that will produce a result for you. So for example, as I said, have a little browse through these. Don't take too long. This isn't like spend 10 minutes looking for the perfect article. Just have a go at one. I'm going to go on the one which is at the very top here. So this is what I've done is I'm going to click here, read and quiz, next to this brave dog one. And up will come the article in a second. Mine's probably going to ask me for something in a moment because I've already been reading this one. Nope, this is fine. So what you do then is start at the top here, there's the headline, and I'm going to read through the article, which I did before this video started. Reading through it carefully, taking on board the information, and when I get to the bottom, I can click on Finish. Now it brings up this window and I say Finish again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Take the Quiz. And up will pop in a moment. It should be a 3-question quiz if it's anything I've seen before. Yep, up here it says 1 out of 3. Leo was honoured for the coming to the rescue of, this was that one there. What happened to Leo? That's the next one. So I'm reading these carefully. Now I'm rushing through this quite quickly because I've read through this already. Read these questions really carefully. You aren't able to go back and change your answers. So once you click next, it's done. Oh, I didn't read this one, so this one's going to be a bit of a problem for me. I'm going to go with that one, and let's see what I got. So in a moment, it will load up and it will tell me the result of my quiz. Obviously, there we go. Look at that. Aiming for 3 out of 3, 100% correct, and that's absolutely brilliant. And what we'll do in the future is we'll maybe look at setting up some merits for people who do really well on these quizzes. Talk to the teacher in the room when you've finished yours. But above that, when you click on Exit, then it'll take you back to this window, and then you can go back onto Accelerated Reader Articles. And that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.